Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Tibaldi Goes Woodworks, and we have another look in the box for you today. This is Heller's 1/43 scale Peugeot 403, size 104 by 39 on there. Beautiful box art. I picked this one because my late father had a Peugeot 403. True story. It's the first car that he encountered a security device on. It was called a steering lock. So yeah, and obviously people modelers who know Colombo used to have a very downtrodden 403 convertible. So yeah, that's my little bit of spiel on it. Kit number is 80161. On this side, little bit of information on this side. Same on that side. Again, this side has the size of the vehicle. And this kit I brought from via Amazon from Creative Models, and it dropped through the post this morning. As you can see, this is 1979 on the was the kit was made, the tooling was made, and revised mould was 2020. So we've got to cut the boxes in 3 places to open the box. Yeah, I'm not sure what colour my father had, because Dad was colourblind. So I'll have to ask me Mum. So we have a nice little book of ships there. And we have a couple of sprues in here, so we'll put these down on the floor. Get the instructions out first. Plonk that's down on the floor. And said decals, the decal sheet. Again, fairly straightforward. Only 4 decals on there. What can possibly go wrong? Possibly quite a bit. Again, step 1, painting up the chassis. Got the colour call outs there. So 11 is silver, 33 is black, and 40 is pale grey gloss, which is they're fairly similar to Humbrol paints, but it's Heller paints here. Then obviously this part is building up the wheels. Building up the interior. So this is a column shift drive, I believe. Boom, boom, boom. Then painting up the interior like so. Putting the front grille and headlights on. Fitting the lights. Putting the chassis and the body together. Then putting on the bumpers and the lights and the little greebles at the back. Obviously they have 3 colour options. You have grey, blue and black. I believe 21 is black. What did they tell porcupines on it? Black gloss, yes. So yeah, little bit of information for you. So it says 4 cylinders, 58 horsepower, 4,900 RPM, manual operated 4-ratio gearbox, weight just over 1,000 kilos, maximum speed 135 kilometers, which is I'll work it out and put it in a comment, what's it in the chat up there. So let's have a look at this little greebly. So this has all the ships that they do. Do the Victory, of course, and the Titanic Searcher. Bismarck and Tirpitz. And do a 1400 task force, which I believe Paul has built. So without further ado, I'll get the sprues out. And the first sprue we'll get out is the car body. Again, lovely detail, a little bit of sink up on the roof, but nothing that can't be sorted. Again, the old, what's it for the sunroof. Yeah, a bit of a ejector pin on this on the top side there. So obviously you've got to polish that out. But it ain't bad. It's not bad for a 1979 kit. And this is another sprue, which again has the wheels and the interior on here. A little bit of flash to clean up, but nothing problematic. Yes, there's a bit of a bow in the floor, but most of that will sort out, be straightened out by the seat. The interior. Yes, bit of a bow there. Ha ha. So that's one sprue. Steady on, there's another sprue. This is sprue 2. So we have the front face, the hubcaps, the bumpers, the what's it, grill, the number plate binnacle for the boot, which goes over here. Again, they don't have any location pin on it, but never mind. Tail lights, bumpers with overriders. On there. And let's have a look at the glass bits. See, I use a knife, a sharp knife. I'm not using scissors. And this is the glazing. Again, it's not bad. Yes, it shows some marks because of its age. Obviously that bit, in theory, should fit in there. It won't because of a sprue gate, but some adjustment required, but it should all go together quite nicely. So yeah, and that is a quick look in the box of Heller's 1/43 scale Peugeot 403. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.